In this Smartboard lesson plan, Finding Main Idea, there are 3 objectives for students. They can identify the main idea in short story text, they can understand the importance of main idea in short story text, and they can apply learned strategies to find main idea in any length of text. This lesson would work best for 2nd grade students in English and Language Arts for a period of about 25 minutes. Prior knowledge includes the ability to tell a story coherently and fluently with appropriate facts and relevant details. Colorado State Standards address include 2B, to recount or describe key ideas or details from a text read aloud or information presented orally or through other media. This slide allows the teacher to interact with the Smartboard by moving the green buttons out of the way. The point of something is the main idea. It's what it means or what it's trying to tell you. You can find main idea in a picture, a paragraph, or a song. This slide also allows you to interact with the Smartboard. You can bring up students as a volunteer and write what they think you can find main idea in, or the teacher can write it themselves. As long as they click this button, write movie here, or if a student has made a mistake in writing, you can go and find the eraser and erase their answer. Sort the following pictures into like groups. This helps students solidify the idea of how a main idea becomes a main idea. Typically, it has all supporting details that apply to the story in a relevant manner. So these like groups all have something in common, like relevant details have something in common towards a main idea. And this, again, solidifies that concept. Students can come up and choose the line feature and connect what the main idea of each picture group is. So red, here, dogs, here, cars, here. Quick review. This review reminds students the key components of a story. They can do this review on their own device, or they can do it as a class by going up to the Smartboard. So setting, come back down to select, is here, characters, and goal. I chose the feature on Smart Notebook for students to see if their answers are incorrect or correct right away. So this, once again, allows the teacher to interact with the Smartboard. Here's what you look for when you're trying to find the main idea in writing. A goal for the characters, reoccurring vocabulary, and reoccurring setting. Practice time. Students can read this as a class and turn and talk to other students about what they think the main idea of the paragraph is. This allows for peer-on-peer interaction and collaboration. So this is our exit ticket. Once again, another activity. Students, however, will be doing this on their own device. You can come up and click here. Activities currently running. And they read the question, what is the main idea of the paragraph? By clicking the star, it takes you back to the paragraph so they can reread and go over it as many times as they need to for their activity. Once all students have answered the question, I can end the activity and move on. The last slide of the PowerPoint presentation, or Smartboard presentation, is for students to try it on their own. You can click this link, and once again, it is able to do as a class or on their own devices. You can see that here as well. It's a main idea game, and they have the choice of doing it on a mouse device or a touchscreen device, whatever's available in your class at the moment. It's just a fun little interactive kind of idea where they move the storm cloud over each tree, and each tree says the main idea of the storm cloud's passage. You click until you find the correct idea.